So this is how our file look like. It is a letterhead worked and designed in a MS Word file, so you do not have to consult any designer. You can only design your own letterhead in a simple MS Word file. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Tech Tutorial. So here we go. Here we will start our video, our letterhead channel. We will go in start menu and we will open MS Word file there. Here we go. Okay, maximize it. In the insert menu we will go shapes, and in the shapes we will follow flow chart input method. It's a box design. I will give you a tip at the end of the video. Drop it down, and on the round format we will flip it to clockwise. Here we will, in the drawing menu, its shape outline should be no outline. Here we go, no outline. Its fill, we will give it color as per our choice. I will choose this color. I will copy this shape in the home menu and paste the same shape. Now I will go in the drawing menu and I will change its color once again. I am resizing it, but it's not visible because both boxes have same color. Therefore I will go back, adjust it as per my requirement. So here in the design menu I will change the color. I will choose a dark blue, any eye-catching color. It could be your choice. You may choose a different color as per your requirement. I will copy it and paste the same, because I will paste three different color boxes, three different types of three different color boxes as per my requirement, as per my choice. So it will look like this when I will design three different colors with three different sizes of boxes. Here in the drawing menu I will select draw text box and I will write my channel name with no shape outline, and will fill the same. It's Tech Tutorial. You can write your company name. Increase the size of the font in the home menu. I will increase it to 18. Justify it, and then I will go for the drawing menu, the font style. You can choose anyone as per your requirement, whichever design, whichever style. It looks okay, it looks professional. You can choose as per your requirement. So here I will choose a different color, because the box is going to be filled, shape fill, the same color as we have in the main color format. I will increase the size. Here we go. I will draw another draw text box. I will write something as a slogan of my channel: a house of learning, a channel of learning. You can type as per your company requirement. If you are running a hotel or restaurant, so you can write a house of taste. I'm gonna increase the size. I'll adjust it just to set so it looks good with no format, and I will fill the box the same color I do have in my choices. So no shape outline and shape fill should be the same color as I have in the main box, and the font color should be white because it's a dark gray background, so white color would be a more suitable color. Some people have different choices for the colors. If you choose a blue one as a background, you can choose a yellow one as a font style. It's up to you. Now I will choose the boxes. The main box, I will insert 3 different boxes and give them 3 different colors with different sizes as well. So no shape outline, and fill the shape with 3 different colors. Please make sure it should be the same colors that we do have on the main letterhead format. Copy and paste the same box. I will choose a different color, then I will adjust it as per my requirement. And the last one, here we go. Now I will draw a text box just to give my information like address, my phone number, my email address, my website address. You can add this information as per your requirement. I will give just address ABC Street. Is just a simple address for your understanding. Lahore City, Pakistan. I will adjust the format, increase the font size, and give it a white color because I am gonna have the dark gray color as a background. You can select any font style, any font size as per your requirement. With the help of this video, I believe you do not have to consult any designer, you do not have to pay him any money for the design, you do not have to give him instructions. You can design as per your requirement. At the end of the video, I will give you a tip as well. I will give you a surprise, so you have to watch a complete video. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel because at the end of the video, I will give you a good surprise. Here I will give my email address. You can write your website, your phone number, whichever suits you got. Increase the size. No shape outline and fill. No shape outline. Here we go. No shape outline, and fill the shape with the same color we do have in the main box. Dark gray. Will make the font size as a white so it become legible. We can clearly read it. So now I will insert my logo. For the logo, I have to go for a box, for a round box. It's a round box. I will insert it and fill this box with the image of my logo. No shape outline, shape fill. I will choose picture, and on the desktop I have my logo, the tech tutorial logo. I will insert the logo, adjust the size of the box, and will insert the box over there. So I will give shape effects to my logo box. You can choose any one, whichever suits you. I will choose a glow one. It will give you some good reflection around the box. So here I will adjust the logo. I will adjust the size so it will clearly adjust in the box and does not cover the corners. Here we go. I will add the watermark. In the custom watermark, I will select the picture watermark, select picture, and here I do have the logo picture on the desktop, logo picture. Okay, so here we go. My letterhead will look like this. I will add the reference number and a date on the letterhead, and I will save it as a PDF format. And guys, as I said, I will give you a surprise at the end of the video. So if, my dear viewer, you cannot design this Word file, you have some difficulty, so do not worry. You can just give your email address in the comment box. I will send you the MS Word file as a design. You can replace the tech tutorial name, you can replace the logo as per your requirement, and you can have the real file, the real letterhead file as per your company file. So here it will look like this. So do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Keep sharing our videos. So if you want this Word file, just write your name and email address in the comment. If you have any other requirement, you can about the video, any other new video, please give your views. We will make the video. And thank you so much for the support. Take care. Bye bye.